Alright, what's good, guys? Today we're getting into our market analysis, our trade recap for today, October 30th. So yeah, let's get right into it. So today I took a trade on GBP-USD. As you can see, it came pretty close to hitting my take profit. That's like within 3 pips right there. So I got edged by the market and then just got completely stopped out pretty much. And then price just continued to push the other way. And as I had said in the video before, our weekly bias going into this week was bearish. So obviously that's why I took the short, looked for bearish points of interest. This fair value gap right here, this order block right here on the higher time frame. As you can see, we start pushing up into that area as we approach our AM session. We push into it. We're getting heavy rejections off that fair value gap. We got one here earlier before the session. We get these rejections here within the session. And then just on the 1 minute, I waited for the official Orca structure, which was right around here. I got entered here. Obviously, my order is not going to get filled at the exact price I wanted to. So I had to account for that, set my stop loss so that it encapsulates the order block, and shoot for take profits below of this liquidity and this liquidity right here. That's where I was kind of aiming. Obviously, even if I had set it at this liquidity right here, we still wouldn't have hit it and we would have gotten stopped out. So that's unfortunate, but we did miss a trading opportunity on the S&P 500, which was kind of also unfortunate. And that's the thing. If you're not paying attention to the markets, then opportunities will come and go and you'll miss them. So before market, I woke up at 8 a.m., marked out like market structures, points of interest on both the S&P and GBP-USD. And I had marked out this 5-minute imbalance right here with this huge order block. I think it was hourly or 15-minute. I'm not sure which. But I was too focused on GBP-USD in the morning. And then as you can see right here, we push up into this 5-minute imbalance over on the S&P. Within that order block, we start falling down, break structure, and we could have caught a pretty good trade. I mean, that right there is a risk to reward of 3.5 almost. And I mean, like, for the people who caught the top and the bottom, that's like a 4.5 risk to reward. So beautiful trade that I missed out on just because I had my eyes too focused on GBP-USD and I didn't have the patience or like the ability to alternate and multitask between the two. So I just definitely got to start getting better at that because I don't want to miss trading opportunities like that, especially when there's like 2 good opportunities. For example, today, I mean, GBP-USD technically wasn't a good opportunity, but still, like if there's 2 opportunities, I want to take the better one. And obviously today that was the S&P 500 and I missed it just because I wasn't paying attention. So yeah, that's unfortunate. The rest of the week we got news. If I pull up Forex Factory right here, why am I in all caps? And that's my microwave. Got ramen, average college experience. So you can see tomorrow, Tuesday, we have news. That's not, I mean, in my opinion, from my market experience, which is not a lot, but in my opinion, from my market experience, these 2 kind of news aren't going to be that impactful. But then, as you can see on Wednesday, we're getting like absolutely assaulted in the market. I mean, ADP, NFP, Jolt's job openings. I mean, Jolt's doesn't really do anything, but like then we have Fed rate later and then the FOMC statement, and that just moves market everywhere. So that's definitely a day I'm not going to trade. Thursday we have unemployment claims. That's at 7:30, which for me that's like an hour and a half before when I'm trading. So by then news will have calmed down. I'll be good to trade. And then Friday, as you can see, we do have a lot of news again. So I'm not sure if I'll trade that day. We'll just kind of have to see how kind of everything settles. And just to show you guys here, the proof of the trade, here it is. Well, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I gotta make my camera bigger. Ooh. There we go. 117. It says minus 242 just because that's like the full week Yeah, I don't know. All right, peace.